So in BIM 360 docs, we can not only upload RBTs and DWGs for sheet extraction, we can also upload straight up multi-sheet PDFs. So we're going to show you today how we're going to create a multi-sheet PDF template so that we can split those out and assign metadata to the aspects in our title block. So first things first, we open up the actual sheet set, or one of the sheets we're going to be looking at and bringing into the system. We want to make sure we understand what we want to pull metadata from in our template. There's a couple stock elements, which you'll see, but I specifically want to bring in the project number here. And so we'll need to add that prior to creating the actual template itself. We'll go back to docs. So here's my project view. You already have information in here, but we're going to go up to the little plus sign in the right-hand corner, and we're going to add an attribute. There it is, project number. And this is going to be a straight up text field. Obviously we have a date and drop list dynamic for the actual meta information, but this is straight up text. We'll add that. And now the system has the capacity to understand that metadata that we will publish in our template. So let's go ahead and add a template. Go to the title block area in the specific folder. You can see we already have one here. We're going to create one for our architectural discipline. We'll click Add. And a couple of tricks here. So we want to make this as big as possible so that we can easily carve out the sections. So it kind of gives us a step-by-step. So step one, use image crop. So it's telling us to take this image crop area. We're going to crop out the actual area to interrogate for our template creation. So then we click Next. And we have this pop-up box. We're going to enter the name. Size. And here's the add field area. So you can see here that number and title are default. That's actually what will get populated by default. We want to add in that custom met information that we added earlier. There's our project number. Okay, so we'll click into the number area, and what happens is our cursor changes to this little crosshair. So we're going to actually demarcate what area gets interrogated by the optical character recognition. And we're going to bring that all the way to the edge. Even though what we have on the screen here may be small, we may have a future sheet that spans the entire width of that area. So you want to accommodate that. You can see here that generated M.101. And we'll click on the title. And same for the sheet title. We'll expand the selection area as wide as we can get it. We'll clean up the space later. Let's move on to the project number. We'll click in there. And again, we'll be intentional about making it big enough. Most likely it won't change, but we'll draw that out. So now we have the three values. We have the title, the name, and then the size. And we simply click Save. Will show up in our meta information. So the number, title, and the project number will fill that space.